If you are a realtor or you are thinking about getting a new license, don't do that. In this video, I'll tell you why, and at the very end, I'll tell you what kind of business you should focus on. I'm glad you are here. My name is Lucas and I'm a serial entrepreneur for almost 25 years. I own several businesses and a real estate portfolio worth $1 million. I lived in Europe, Asia, and for over 3 years, I'm in the US. So if you are interested in getting a salesperson license, or you actually have one, right? Should you get it or keep it? No, absolutely not. Should you drop it? Yes. If your main income depends on it and you don't have many deals already, then yes, you should drop it. With many deals, I mean at least 2 to 3 sales a month, but I'll name some exceptions later. Alright, so being a realtor in Las Vegas sounds like a good idea because the market is hot and no, it is not a good idea. In fact, it's so dumb to get a license in 2021 if you are not already a top agent. I can tell you right away that on average realtor makes a $37,000 gross income annually. Not too much, right? So why not to be a realtor in 2021? Here's why. By the way, do you know how much it costs to keep a license? Just to keep it, not to get it. So, first of all, you are paying fees. You are paying fees for accessing MLS portal. Well, that's $300 every 6 months. Now it dropped to $200. Second, annual dues, and that's $600 per year. Third, realty fees. Which can be anywhere from 30% from commission down to zero, paying $100 monthly, which I had in my realty. And I'd like to talk about it as well later. It seems low, but it is not. Fourth, compulsory education. Usually it is like $20 per course and usually need 5 of them. Fifth, CenturyLock subscription. It is $140 plus a $50 activation fee. Altogether, the total is $2,685 for the first year plus education, which is $500 and study materials. That's it. Altogether, the total is $2,685 for the first year plus education, $500 and study materials. So grand total is $3,185 the first year. Sure, you'll get it from the first commission check, but it usually takes 1 to 2 years to get the listings, which is pretty common. So back to why not to do it. In every business you have a competition, right? So let's say you have plans to open a restaurant or e-commerce store, and you probably look around the area and you'll check the companies which are around this area, right? So would you open a cafe at the same house as Starbucks? Probably not. Have you checked how many active agents are in your area right now? Did you check statistics other than how the market is hot, how prices are high, and how many days it takes to sell a house? I checked them for you, so you don't have to. Let's summarize that in terms of business. So, is it a good or bad business? Getting a license, it's easy to start. Simply said, it's a low entry barrier business. Everyone can have a license in 2 months. No experience is necessary at all. So just 30 days in school. And 2 years ago, the commission was 3%. Now it drops to 2.5 on average. And I know many agents doing listings for 1% only. So to get a deal, just to get a deal. And they will most likely get the deal, but they'll to lower the prices, it's actually way too high for any kind of business, so don't do that. There are so many active agents, so you'll be fighting for a deal really hard. So how many agents are in Nevada, in Las Vegas? Stick to the end and I will tell you. Now, if you are new here, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, please. So I know that it's valuable for you and it helps me a lot. Now, some boring, not so boring numbers. In September, there were a total of 3,400 new listings. The number of single-family listings is down almost 30% from the prior year. So the housing supply in southern Nevada is now at 1 month only, which is down almost 30% from prior year. Las Vegas is now ranking among the 10 most overvalued, the nation's largest housing markets. So that was some boring numbers. Let's talk about expensive courses. Do you need expensive course to be a real estate agent? Oh, do you need to buy expensive course to get more deals? Hell no, you don't need a course. I've been there. People are telling you, I'm making this amount of money, and if you want, you can do it. But let's buy my course. It can help you. Yeah, for sure. So hold on. You can just get into the business and you'll get the same knowledge along the way from your mistakes, and it's much more valuable. Expensive courses are like, imagine Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos. So selling a course, how to be rich building your electric car or creating an Amazon marketplace. So because they are rich and they know, right? No, wrong. They've built something with one idea and stuck it up along the way. But you can pay hundreds of thousands of dollars and you will never be like Amazon, even if you copy it one-to-one. And now the most interesting numbers, how many agents are in Las Vegas and in southern Nevada? The number of active licensees is insane. It is 20,800 total active licensees in Clark County and 27,700 in southern Nevada, plus a few more. In September, there was 3,200 units sold. It means 6,400 transactions. It means listings and sales. There are so many companies and agents doing the listing for 1% only, and I've already heard complaints about like why people are doing that. I'm better, or if there are 6,400 sales, that's 77 transactions annually. It is roughly 3.7 deals per year for each active agent. If the average sale is now $400,000 and the ideal commission is 2.5%, it is 37,000 gross income before taxes. I don't think it's too much, right? And 2.5, it's not very common right now. It is, but it's going really down. So top agents are doing most of the sales. They're, the rule 80-20 principle. If you don't, just Google it. So if you watch the whole video, you get the picture. Is it worth it to compete with so many agents and when you can do something else? I hear you saying, but wait, I'm better than other agents and I have more experience. Yeah, it's probably true, but the market is so saturated right now that I simply think that you should pick something with a higher entry barrier and do something proven or profitable. So that's it. That's my opinion. And right now I'm starting a new business. For that reason, I dropped my real estate license and I'm doing something else. I already did few shifts in my business career. So when I felt it's not really like giving me enough like money very easily, or there is the playground is so saturated like right now. So I'm starting a new business, residential cleaning, which includes Airbnbs, residential homes, and also a line of cleaning products. And I will be documenting everything from scratch so you can follow along. And if you are if you are thinking about getting a new business, or getting out from real estate, or getting out from your job, so stick with me. Thanks for watching, and please hit a like button. And if you want to watch like some other videos on how to make money easily, consider subscribing and hit a notification bell, and you will not miss any other videos. So thank you for watching and have a great day.